Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon Fire TV for smart home dashboards step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Amazon Fire TV device. Locate the Fire TV stick in the included remote. Plug the Fire TV stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. Connect the included USB power cable to the Fire TV stick. Attach the power adapter to the USB cable, then plug it into an electrical outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Fire TV stick is connected. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your remote with the Fire TV. Connect your Fire TV to your home Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Once connected, sign in to your Amazon account or create a new one if necessary. The Fire TV will now update to the latest software version. After the update, you will be presented with the Fire TV home screen. From the home screen, navigate to the settings menu using the remote. Select display and sounds to adjust picture settings if needed. Go back to the settings menu and select device to check for any additional updates. Next, install relevant smart home apps from the App Store. Search for apps like SmartThings or Google Home and select them. After selecting an app, choose Download to install. Open the app after installation to set up your smart home devices. Follow the in-app instructions to add and manage your devices. Once your devices are added, arrange them on your dashboard for easy access. Explore additional features like voice control with Alexa if your remote supports it. Finally, customize your Fire TV experience by adjusting the settings as per your preference. Your Fire TV is now ready to be used for smart home dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.